Hey, hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to another Urbex adventure. This one came out of nowhere, guys. I did not even expect or plan to make this video today, but I am. So, what's the word about here? What we're gonna be exploring today? Well, it is very interesting actually. The rock I'm sitting on right now, beneath it, there is a old abandoned bunker from God knows what year, that was built in God knows what purposes, and there is a loud tractor now to my right side intervening with my video and what I want to say. Anyway, below me is the bunker from I don't know which year or what purpose it was built in. I didn't find any source on the internet about it, no history records, nothing. I got nothing about this bunker, but I know that there is a bunker below me because when I was at the age of, I don't know, 12, 13, something like that, my friends and I were entering this bunker before it was sealed with bricks and concrete, so it wasn't enterable until today. So I was passing, this part of town today, and I spotted the door of the bunker being broken. So some vandals broke the door, and I guess they wanted to see what's inside. So from that side, thank you. Now I can get legally inside and check out what's going on, without breaking any law because I didn't breach anything or whatever. From the other side, to my left side, there is a children's playground, and these guys didn't really think about consequences that might have. As I arrived here now, like 5-10 minutes ago, I found a bunch of children at the age of 10-11 entering down that bunker with no mask, respirator, nothing on their faces. They just put shirts like this because entire bunker is filled with dust, spores and all that, and they don't obviously know how dangerous that can be. They're just children. So I told them to immediately get out and get lost, which they did. And that's the negative side of these doors being open. Now literally whoever passes around 50-meter radius or even more can see that door behind me to the bunker is open. Now I'm an urban explorer. I like documenting stuff. I enjoy doing this as my hobby, which is the reason why I'm getting myself down there. I don't know what awaits down there for me. I don't know how long these tunnels are, how far they stretch, what purposes they were built in. So if anyone has any info about this, share it in the comments. I would gladly like to read it. So it is very interesting, after all these years getting a chance to get inside, I spotted breached door. I was like, hell yeah, I'm getting my equipment. So I went home, charged the batteries and all that, and I decided to come back here and explore it. Full equipment is obviously inside my backpack, so I'm gonna go now, gear up, and yeah, get inside. And once again, for the love of God, kids, whoever doesn't have any knowledge about the urbex, who doesn't possess any kind of equipment, respirators, masks, do not enter down these bunkers. It can be extremely dangerous. Air is toxic. There could be even explosive devices down there. It could have been military bunker. There could be holes in the ground you don't see. You can break your legs. You can get lost. Even I myself am exposing myself to that risk right now. I don't know what awaits for me down there. I hope I'll get out alive as usual, and that's all I can do. So that's the crazy side of urbex. You don't really know what's gonna happen. So yeah, gear up time. All right, respirator ready, gloves ready, I'm ready. Let's go. All right, so this is the entrance. Yeah, they completely fucked up the door. I don't even know how they fucking breached this. Like, they broke the wooden part here. They had to smash this pretty hard. This is a concrete wire. Yeah, there's a lot of fucking trash around here. Alright. Interesting. Let's see where this leads. Wow. Okay. I have the glow sticks I can use to mark the path. You know, there's a lot of trash around here. A lot of rotten wood. I got the glow sticks. If I find an intersection, I will mark which way I came. So I guess this is the system. Left, right. Sounds pretty simple. Looks pretty simple, so yeah. Oh no. It's fucking sealed. Well, that's it. Wow. Okay, end of the video, guys. Well, guys, this is the rock that I've been sitting on at the beginning of the video. So that's where I was sitting. And yeah, basically this was just a shelter, a small shelter, a bomb shelter. That's what I think what it was. However, pretty interesting, you know. I did not know my city has this type of stuff built, you know. That's pretty interesting. I am disappointed. I've never been more disappointed. You know, I thought it's going to be huge tunnels, you know, going somewhere, blah, blah, but yeah, it's nothing. And yeah, kids, even if you do enter here, this is what you're gonna find. It's literally nothing, so yeah, almost a waste of time. However, there is a lot of trash down here, like Haribo, like all kinds of shit, whatever. Oh, let's get out. There is a air vent here, though. That's interesting. Alright. Let's get out so I can end this video, though. Alright. I'm back outside. So, let me take this shit off my face. Alright, so as you saw, it's nothing. It's a disappointment. So I think this was like a bomb shelter, you know, that was maybe built around the war times in the 90s or something. So you could take the shelter from the shelling, I guess, inside. Because I'll explain you for real quick how this goes. So where I was seeing that bricked wall, that's this here, right? So that bricked wall, that's this. The tunnel literally goes like this. Where this is, where the bump is, you see how the bump goes? So this is the corner, and then it goes like this. Left, right, it zigzags and it comes out to the same place. So from there to here, it was just literally a shelter, which was kind of interesting to explore, honestly. Did not know there was a bomb shelter in the center of Slavonski Brod, so there you go. I have solved the mystery myself, and like what purpose this was built for. So yeah, guys. However, I still think they should seal that door and not let kids, you know, because this is literally children's playground. The center of the city is here. Anyone can access this, so they definitely should seal that. Whoever broke it, well, thanks, but kind of pointless, so I'm disappointed. If there was actually something for me to explore, like, I would be happy, but now I'm just kind of pissed off. So don't break stuff, guys. It's not nice. It's really bad. It's been sealed probably for a reason, safety reasons. So anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this little adventure, then go ahead and leave a like, share, comment, or subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally okay. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are down below in the description, so check that out if you want. If you don't want to, you don't have to. It's totally fine. I love you guys. I appreciate everything you've done for me and my channel so far. You guys are amazing, and I'll definitely see you in the next videos. Chris out.